Leo Soto. So today the community is coming together 3 weeks after the initial collapse to ensure that the memorial it maintains beauty. So we're coming together as a community to clean up the flowers that are starting to die and then replenish them with fresh new flowers from big donations that we've gotten. Incredible. Publix has donated some flowers. Galleria Farms has donated flowers. Sunburst Farms as well. It's been incredible. We're expecting over 10,000 flowers to be donated today, which is by far the biggest donation day.
Your wife?
No, I just represent myself. Started organizing this memorial, and it's grown to incredible size, but it's a lot to handle. But yeah, I maintain the memorial.
Pastor Abiezer Rodríguez.
Está representando.
Okay, my name is Pastor Abiezer Rodríguez, and I am a Seventh-day Adventist pastor, and I pastor a church here in Little Havana. And I represent the Seventh-day Adventist Church and the Medical Cadet Corps that is part of the relief program for this situation.
How do you spell your first name?
Abiezer.
Okay, and
if I'm here at the memorial, we give thanks to the people that are coming. If they are part of the people that are survivors or families of the victims, we usually introduce ourselves with a name and what do we do, and then we ask them, how are you managing your feelings? What are you feeling? What is your support group? How can we be part of that support group? And we help them identify the feeling and the opposite of that feeling, and how to make a bridge from what they feel to what they expect to feel. And so they will know that there is hope and assurance in going on after this tragedy.
Ada Miller.
Can you spell your first name?
AIDA, last name Miller, MILLER.
Okay, talk to.
Today I came out with a friend of mine's as I'm here in Miami, down in the beach, and she said, let's go by, and I was like, sure, we can volunteer some time over there. We came by. It's saddened to see this, it's heartbreaking just for, not just my local city, but just for the family and loved ones that, they have lost today. So we came and volunteered some time to lay some flowers that has been donated, and that's very kind of everyone that's doing that. It's just an act of kindness, that's the least that I can do for the loved ones on what they're going through here.
Primero lo más arriba posible. Y mira, más.
Oh, you already got it?
We're just trying to make sure that we leave space for people to walk in.